Yes, sir. Yo, YouTube. Welcome to the Great FX TV. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're still with the force, just hit that like button and share the video so they can reach as many people as possible, man. You know, with the double P's, the productivity and the positivity. So if you haven't joined our YouTube memberships, please scroll down right now. Just scroll down right now, hit that join button next to the subscribe button and join, just so that you can join the last perk, which is just a little amount of dollars per month, just for you to get exclusives, right? Exclusives for our strategies. But okay, for today we have a stochastic and a moving average. So let's get straight into it, guys. Let's get straight into it. So this is boom 500. So what's going to happen right here? You see we have two levels. I don't want us to waste any time. I don't have time, and I know you guys also don't have time. So we have level 20 right here, right? As we have level 20, we also have level 80. So I hope you can see that we have those two levels, right? So those levels are supposed to be meaning oversold level and overbought level. So meaning at this point the market is being overbought, at this point it's being oversold. All right. Okay, so what's going to happen, it is that, as you can see, we have the red moving average, and then we have the blue stochastic oscillator, right? Actually, no, there's no moving average here, bro. I'm lying. It's just then the stochastic oscillator. You understand? So we have, let me just say the red. I'm just used to the moving average now. So we have the red line, and then we have there is it green? It's green, yeah, it's not blue. It's the red line and the green line. So as you can see, they both went down, right? So as they both went down and they got to level 20. So at this level, what does it mean? It means that the market has been oversold, right? Meaning it has been sold for too long. So now we gotta start doing what? We gotta start buying, isn't it? Right, you're gonna start buying. So what are you going to do? It is there, you're just going to wait for this red line to cross with this green line. So meaning the green line has to come above the red line, but it's actually, you can do that anywhere at any level, but at level 20 it is essential and it is more accurate. You understand? It is more accurate. um So yeah, but I'll teach you more ways to catch spikes using this strategy only if you guys like this video. But okay, so you're gonna wait for these two lines to get to level 20. As they get to level 20, you're gonna wait for them to cross. You're gonna wait for the green line to be above. As soon as it's above, you can see this spike, right? You see this one, this spike. This spike was the one that crossed this cross, right? After that cross, you see the market tried to give you a little ticks, just three of them, and then it gave you another spike. So meaning after this spike you would have bought. So meaning right after the cross you buy on boom, right? So meaning you would have caught the spike. If you have a big account, maybe you would have held and then you would have ate. You see, so let's go to another example, right? Let's go to another example. Let's go to another example. um there we go, perfect, right? So as you can see, they both went down, the red and the green line, they both went down to level 20, and as they got to level 20 they crossed, the green line went above the red line as it should, and then what do? You buy. So meaning as you can see right here, as you can see right here, they crossed, and that cross was caused by this spike, this one. So meaning you would have bought right after that spike, and then you can see what happened right after that spike, what happened? The market, it even opened a gap and it went all the way up. It went all the way up, my guy. So I hope you can see, man. I hope you can see. Let's try to go and look for another example. I don't know where. Maybe let's try crash. I don't like using indicators on crash 500, man. I'm not going to lie to you. I don't like using indicators on crash 500. Okay, so this is boom 300. So as you can see, what do? You wait for these two lines, these ones, the red one and the green line. You wait for them to come to this level, right? As soon as they are on this level, you wait for them to cross. You wait for the green line to be above. So meaning right after the green line being above, what do? You buy, right? So meaning on this cross, which is oh, it's obviously it's not gonna be able to cross, but this cross was caused by this little spike, this little one, this little spike. After that little spike, the market retraced with two ticks. So between these two ticks, you buy. So which is after the cross, you buy. You see the market went all the way up. You would have ate. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. I don't want them videos to be too long. You see, this strategy are these strategies, guys. I'm not giving you guys regular videos. You know, I'm giving you guys like gems, like gems. You understand? I don't know if you guys, like, most of you guys are taking these things for granted, and you know, but it is what it is. I appreciate the people who take them to learn and progress. You understand? So yes, um I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much if you stayed up to this far, and I shall see you in the next video. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, just scroll down right now and hit the first link in the description box, and I shall see you right there. And thank you so much for staying up to this far. God bless, man. I love you guys.